deep dive into the innovations and education program. And before we do that, I just thought let's take a step back and I could take you through the context of the philosophy of philanthropy and HP and how the innovations and education program is really part of our larger philanthropy focus and programs. So as a company, our mission really is to, of course, invent technologies and services to, of course, drive business value, but also to create social good. So of the 7 corporate objectives at HP, the 7th one really is global citizenship. And this is really an articulation of what that citizenship objective is. We're really saying that whenever we do business in a country, we're really looking to become an economic, intellectual, and a social asset in that country, in that community. So we've had a long legacy of citizenship over the years. Bill and Dave made their first contribution of $5 to United Way, which is an NGO present all over the country as well as the world. So in terms of citizenship, there are really 5 areas that we focus all of our programs. These are the 5 areas. And you'll see that social investment, the one on the right hand side, is really where we do a lot of work in the country. Okay. So in the area of social investment, there are 3 areas in which we have programs. There's education, there's environment, and there's micro-entrepreneurship development. So just to give you a brief understanding of some of the programs that we're running, of course there's the HP Innovations and Education program, and there are really 2 sub-programs. There are the programs for the secondary schools, for which this is the workshop or the kickoff meet, and there's also the sub-program for colleges and universities. We also have the Sandhya Reuse program, and we've also collaborated with TERI, which is the Energy and Resources Institute, for a program on environment education. So the last one is about entrepreneurship training. So we're looking at it in the way that there are 2 ways really to generate employment. One way is to really create employment or to create jobs. The other way really is to enable people to stand up on their own feet. So this is really a program where we collaborate with NGOs in the area of entrepreneurship development. This is just a brief snapshot of some of the APJ grants in 2009. And like I said earlier, you'll see that India's got the largest number of grants, and we at HP in India are really happy about that. So just to sum up what the Innovations in Education program is about, it's really a global philanthropic initiative which provides grants of technology, cash, and professional development. We are partnering with the International Society of Technology and Education to deliver this professional development. And of course, in secondary schools, you've all come up with proposals on how you intend to do that, but we're really here to help to work through each of those plans so the outcomes can be defined better. And of course, our larger focus on education is really to bring about a new generation of entrepreneurs and high-tech innovators. These are some of the links. So in the future, I'm here today, but if you'd like to know a little bit more about our programs, also how you could participate next year, or other schools that you could recommend, these are some links. And you have my email ID, so you could feel free to email me and stay in touch. Thank you.